Hi, everyone, in this video, you'll learn how to add old photo effect to video with AceMovi. The first step is drag your video to timeline. Then turn to the Effects tab. In the Filters, you can see the old photo effect, and drag it above the video timeline. Then adjust the length of the video or effect, and play the video. The last step, export the video. That's it for today's video tutorial. If you have any suggestions, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for the new videos on the channel. See you next time.